I just came across these time travel vlog shorts where people film themselves in the past or even in the future, and honestly, this trend is blowing up right now. But there's one thing I noticed. Most of these videos use the same setting, ancient Egypt, and over time that can lead to niche saturation, possible copyright issues, and it can even make monetization harder. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to create these time travel vlog videos so you can stand out from everyone else. First, check the description below. I've added a Google Docs link that contains my exact prompt to use in ChatGPT. Once you open it, make sure you copy the entire prompt. Now, go to ChatGPT, start a new chat, and paste the prompt you copied. Then hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 cinematic, viral-ready time travel vlog ideas for you. It will also create a downloadable docx file. Make sure you download and save it. And if you want more ideas, just type generate more and send it again. It will keep giving you more ideas. Now, still inside ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs. If you don't see that option, just click on Apps, then GPTs, and it will open the Explore page. In the search bar, type Time Travel Vlog. You'll see different models, just click the first one and then click Start Chat. Once you're inside, you'll see two options. The first option lets you use yourself in the vlog, and the second option lets you use a famous person. For this tutorial, we'll go with the first option, using yourself. After selecting it, the GPT will ask you to provide some details. First, upload a photo of yourself. This will be used as your reference image. Then go back to the docx file we generated earlier, pick any video idea you like, copy it, and paste it into the prompt box along with your uploaded image. Then send it. After that, the GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts, 5 text-to-video prompts, and short voiceover scripts. These are what we'll use to create the full video. Now, let's create the images. Go to Google and search for Flow, then open it and click on Create with Flow. Flow gives you 50 daily credits and 150 monthly credits for video generation, but image generation is completely free. If you ever run out of credits, you can use multiple Gmail accounts to continue. That's exactly what I do for my Shorts channel. Start a new project. Go to the Model menu and select Nano Banana Pro. Set your format to portrait and set the output to 2 so it generates faster. Next, click the plus icon at the top right and upload your reference image. Then, inside the prompt box, click the plus icon again and select your uploaded image to make it the subject. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first text-to-image prompt, return to Flow, paste the prompt, and make sure your subject image is attached. Then click Generate. After it's done, Flow will create 2 images of your character in a vlog-style scene. Choose the one you like, download it in 2K resolution, and save it. Now, click on that image to open the Edit option. You'll see a section that says, what do you want to change? Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt and paste it there, then generate again. This will keep the same character but place them in a different scene. Repeat this same process for all the remaining prompts until all your scenes are ready. Now that we have all the images, let's turn them into videos. You can use any tool you prefer, but I'll continue using Flow. Switch the model from image to video, select the frame option, and choose VEO 3.1 fast. Now upload all your scene images. Start with scene 1. Click on the start icon inside the prompt box and select the scene 1 image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the text to video prompt for scene 1 and paste it here, click generate, and wait for it to finish.
No, T, what I expected. People are literally buying glowing plague gears down here, and somehow it's packed?
Then download and save the video. Repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Now that your videos are ready, let's put everything together. I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any editor you like. Import all your clips and drag them into the timeline in order, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on. Next, go to the transitions section and pick transitions that match your scenes, then apply them between each clip. You might notice a watermark at the bottom corner of the video. To hide it properly, go to the text section and add default text. Stretch it across the screen, type your channel name, style it nicely, then reduce the size and position it over the watermark. One final tip, don't add background music inside CapCut. Instead, export your video first, then upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok and add a trending sound directly on the platform. This will help boost your reach and increase your chances of going viral. And that's it. You've just created your own AI time travel vlog short without spending any money.
Okay, this is NOT what I expected. People are literally buying glowing plague cures down here, and somehow it's packed. I don't trust this at all. This thing is glowing like it's radioactive, and this guy swears it cures the plague? I can't believe this. There's literally a party happening during a plague, and people are dancing and drinking this glowing stuff like it's normal. This is getting intense. And that guy just traded a bag of gold for one bottle. Whatever's in there better actually work. Something's wrong. Everyone's running. I think someone just got infected. This place is falling apart.